Hi you guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing a challenge with a full face of only powder products. I do have a cream product video that I'm also going to be shooting, but today we're going to be focusing on powders. So that's for everything, that's for full face, and without further ado, we can hop right into the tutorial, guys. Okay guys, so I'm just starting off with shadow for my brow. I think that this will be a little bit harder than my all cream products because I can't use powder primers, so, or I don't have any. I don't even know if powder primers are a thing. I don't think that they are. I mean, I've never heard of them, so. But I'm just going in with shadow for my brows. And I kind of like shadows for brows because it's very light. It's not anything too crazy. You can get very natural with them, which I like for brows. It's just like a little extra coverage. Okay, so I can't use any primer. I don't know, maybe this will work. Maybe I can use my foundation, my powder foundation on my eyes first. We can try it. Let's try it. I've never tried this before, so maybe. So I'm just gonna use that, I guess, to prime my eyelid. Let's see. I mean, it looks fine. It looks primed. Let's see. The only thing is longevity that I'm worried about. That's the only thing, but we're going to see. We're going to give this a little wear test also, so let's find out, you guys. Let's do the scientific research behind this. Let's do the experiments. Okay, now you guys, I'm just using my Morphe. I think this is my 35K palette, and it's just like pretty basic. Honestly, I would show you guys, but it is old and filthy. This is like one of my first real like palettes, you know, that I just love it so much. So I'm just taking my Sigma 825 and I'm just going in with these are not even, they're not like named or anything. They are named, but I definitely don't know the names of them. So I'm just going in with this lighter shade over here. Honestly, this is a pretty okay primer. I like the foundation. It's actually like blending really nice. Okay, I actually really like this. Okay, I'm down for it. I'm really, really down. Okay. Okay, this is good. Okay. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to be taking the same brush that I use for my brows, or you can use like a different angled brush, whatever you want, totally up to you. Just going in with a dark brown shade, and I am going to do like my eyeliner. have like my eyeliner on. I just used powder for this. I'm running into a problem though because I don't know how we're gonna do mascara. I don't know if is it cheating if I wet a spoolie and do like powder? That I don't know how that would work. So anyway, I'm just going to curl them for now. Just gonna curl them and see what I can think of because I don't have any, like, all of my mascaras are obviously like creams, so I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do for mascara. I don't know. There's no like powder mascara, obviously. So we're gonna see. And we're just for now gonna move on to our faces. Maybe I won't even need, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna move on to our faces for now. So I'm just gonna be using my MAC powder, let's see, Powder Plus Studio Fix Foundation in C4. So again, no primer, just going right in with foundation. And this is not even, I don't even think this is my shade right now, but whatever. I don't have any other powder foundations right now. I have a cream to powder, but that's still a cream, so that's cheating in this challenge. Let's see. Even like, I don't know. I can do powder for lips, although that's going to be super drying. Definitely not like a long wear. I'm not a fan of all powder foundations, especially in the winter like right now, because I can just feel like, especially with I have moisturizer on from earlier, but I don't have any primer on or anything. And so, yeah, I can feel the moisture just getting sucked right out of my skin like a vampire, like a moisture vampire. That is how I feel. Oh my God. What am I gonna do for some things? What am I gonna do for some things, you guys? What am I gonna do? See, this is where I want like lash extensions or magnetic lashes, although that's eyeliner too, so I don't know how I would pull that off. Maybe not magnetic eyelashes, but lash extensions, this would be wonderful right about now. Matte foundation, and I don't have anything for concealer, but I'm just gonna go in with like, I guess, a lighter highlighter, I suppose. I don't know. Let's see. This is so stained. I actually wash this all the time and it's just so stained. So I'm gonna go in with this middle shade right over here. And I'm just gonna hopefully like, oh, it's so dry. I can feel it's literally so dry. And when I use dry products, I get really bad creases. So this is just not gonna be good for me. If you have like really oily skin, this is great. Mine, I mean, especially right now in the winter time, it's so dry. So, oh my God, I can feel it. So I'm gonna put on a lot of bronzer and contour, you guys, because I just need to do something to get this life back into my skin. So let's see. I'm just using my like matte Studio Fix contour palette, just so you guys know. But I don't think, this is so dull to me. I feel like when I use powder products the most, I just feel so dull. Like my skin looks so dull. Everything just looks flat, and yeah, it's just, even my chapstick right now, it's like technically not a powder product, but I need that really bad. Otherwise I will die from, oh my God, it just doesn't, I just don't like it. I don't like using all powder. I don't like using powder foundations really on me unless it's in the summer. Oh my God. This just looks really, really dull. I don't like it. If you guys couldn't tell already, I don't like it. Can you guys just forgive me if you let me cheat just one time with mascara, because I need to do something because I don't feel happy with this. This is like so bleh, you know? Okay, I need something with life, you guys. So I'm using my MAC Pink Swoon for my blush. I need something with life to bring life back into my face, because this is just not, it's not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. What am I supposed to do for lashes? I do have this hair clip in right now and it's doing absolutely nothing. So I'm just taking it out. This is not good. All right. Okay, it's like getting better, I guess, with the blush. Okay, please, guys, just forgive me for... Oh, my God. Forgive me. I'm putting on mascara. I'm cheating. I'm really sorry. But I have to. I really have to. I just don't have a choice because I don't have a choice. After I do my contour and everything, everything I'm putting on, I'm putting it on. I'm sorry. Love you guys. I'm cheating. I don't like it. Oh, okay. It's getting a little bit better. I'm not going to lie. I think with mascara on, it will be better. There's also too much. I added too much here. There we go. It's a little bit better. Still don't like it because my skin looks so dull. Can you guys tell how dull it looks? I know I definitely can. So. Okay, so I'm cheating. I'm really sorry, you guys. Please forgive me. But I really need mascara because this is just... I gotta do something. All right, so now that it's not so bad now that I have the mascara on, you guys. It's still like pretty dull. That's my problem with powder products, is that they just... I mean, I like powder products, of course, but using all powder products is just so dull and drying. Don't like it. I don't recommend doing this in the middle of winter like I'm doing it right now. So, yeah. If you're going to do this look, do it in the summertime because your skin is already nice and oily for the most part. Most people anyway, including myself. I know mine is like definitely really oily in the summertime and pretty dry in the winter. I can feel my skin like tight from this. With a primer, I don't think it would be so bad, but I don't have anything to protect my skin underneath here. I also wanted to, like, there's not a lot of things that, like, look at my forehead. This is what happens when I have powders. The creases become even more noticeable because it just dries it so much. It dries it out so much. Like, oh my God. It's so dry. I don't know if you guys can even, like, see this in the camera, but it's so dry. I don't recommend doing this in the winter like me. Like a dummy. Like me doing this like a dummy in the winter time. And I'm putting on even more contour. Okay. I don't think I can bring this any further. I don't know. I'm not going to do my, maybe I'll just do my lips, fine. But I'm going to just put on this Hot Tamale shade, like, and for like a tint, you know? Okay. It's so dry. Okay. So this is like a tint, I guess. It's not even like a full lipstick or anything. I don't recommend doing this in the winter time like me. This would actually be pretty good for you if you do have dry skin, but still put on a primer. If you have oily skin, not dry skin, oh my God. If you do have dry skin, stay completely away from this. Definitely put on a primer before you're going to apply this powder foundation to your skin. Definitely put on a primer for everything, your lashes, your eyeshadow. I have to say though, this foundation definitely, like, it worked pretty well for priming my eyeshadow. I will let you guys know on the longevity of this in my next video, how it lasted. So yeah, but if you're going to use mostly or all powder products, just make sure that you're giving your skin the proper hydration that it needs in order to combat all of the powder, obviously. And that's it, you guys. I know this was like a quick video, but I just need to take this. I feel like maybe it's in my head that I have on no primer. Do you know what I mean? And it's just like, I can feel my skin. I can feel it. It's so dry. So I'm really sorry, but I gotta take this off. I gotta take it off. I'm excited to do the cream product one because that is more up my alley at this moment in time for sure. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like supporting me and my channel, you could give it a big thumbs up for me. You could also hit that big old subscribe button, as it does do wonders on my channel, and we won't miss out on each other in the future. So thanks again so much, you guys. I'll see you next time.